me while, talk to me, tell me while yeah. Yeah. Hey girl, hey girl. Hey girl, hey girl. I don't want to come on too strong. I'm not trying to come on like Simon LeBon. I'm not trying to come on like Jim Morrison's Ghost. I'm not trying to come on like, hey, you know, sex for X, sex for Ghost. Hey girl, you're fine. People tell you all the time, you're fine, 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 fine. So come on, girl, we ain't got all night, no. Yeah. I was kicked back on the couch. I was chilling. I had the game on low. I had a little me time. It was a little me time. I don't want you to think that I was reading Asian Teens magazine. My subscription to Asian Teens ran out. I might have looked at a couple of my favorite back issues though. And I heard this knock, 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 knocking on my door. I said, it's pretty late. I wonder, is that Gloria? Now she's coming over that late to my house. To me, gentlemen, that seems a little like a booty call. Just a little bit like a booty call. But I know that's impossible because women don't have those urges. Women don't have those desires. It's all about the guys. Those damn insane guys and the testosterone thing. So I opened the door and there she was, Gloria. And you know, she didn't come, it wasn't a booty call because she told me right up front, she just wanted to talk. And fellas, we know our favorite thing is talking. You know, that's what we like to do with our women is talk. So I was kind of, you know, she was talking and I was kind of listening. In a way, I kind of listened. But my eyes were kind of on the game. I suddenly got a lot more interested in the game. I kind of stretched my hands out, you know, because it was late. I was yawning. I kind of put my hand over behind on the couch. Kind of left that one over there. She looked at me like I killed something. She gave me that steely eye and she said, don't. Kevin, don't. No. I said, what, baby? I just, you know, I'm relaxing at home. Well, I don't know if you ever tried this one, but I was kind of rubbing my knees like I had a cramp. And I put my hand down and just the side was touching on a little bit of jean leg. Just a side touch. She looked me straight dead in the eye and she said, Kevin, stop. She said, stop. And that's the way it seemed like it was all night. Well, she said, don't. She said, stop. She said, don't. Stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. I don't know. Don't stop. Don't stop. I'm the king. I'm an animal. I'm the king. Yeah, party animal. I'm the king. Then I'm an animal. I'm the king. Yeah, party animal.